Hi there, very good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gihan. In this video series, I will teach you full ReactJS course step by step. This is for very beginners. So don't worry about your basic knowledge, previous knowledge about ReactJS. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. We start with A to Z. Okay, firstly I need today this video I will explain how to create React project. How to create React project. At the beginning, I create new folder to create React project inside your local computer. This is my folder. After creating this folder, I create another folder to start my new project. Project 1. Okay, I need to open this project by using Visual Studio Code. Then after I can type cmd, enter. After that I type here code space dot. Okay, now you can open that folder by using Visual Studio Code. Okay, okay, next step is you need to open your terminal by using Visual Studio Code. How to open? You need to move terminal part, terminal tab, here available, new terminal. You can click here and you can open new terminal window. By using this code part, you can create new React project. What's the code? npx space create React app space your project name. This name can be any name, but those two parts, npx and create React app, should be same, like this. Okay, here you can type npx create React app, your project name, my first project. After type enter, then after we'll ask some questions. Okay to proceed, then yes. Okay, it will be take a few minutes to complete. Okay, now project is created. So that's all about today's session. In the next video we will learn about the React folder structure. As well as I need to mention, if you have any questions, you can join our Penguin Academy through the WhatsApp link. The link available in the video descriptions. Please check the descriptions and join our WhatsApp groups. Okay, thank you.